वेलकम टू विजन एमबीए। नाउ गाइस, इन द मॉर्निंग जैसे ही मैंने टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में देखा महात्मा गांधी नेशनल फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम, so of course a pretty decent stuff and what exactly it is, so I thought I must make a video and inform you. Now what you need to do is simply आप गूगल के पेज पे जाएं, जैसा कि आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है यहाँ पे MGNF फेलोशिप फीस आप डालोगे ऊपर, तो डालोगे तो गाइस नीचे ऐसे लिंक्स ओपन होंगे दैट यू कैन सी। क्लिक ऑन this one guys, this one Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program or Fellowship IIM Bangalore. You click on this link. The moment you click on this link, you'll land up on a page like this, guys. So of course guys, applications for 2021-23 are open till March 27, and click here to apply. Now before you apply, you must know what is it and what kind of stuff is this, and now people are quite confused. Now MGNF is a certificate program in public policy and management offered by IIMs. So yes guys, कई सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको IIMs का ठप्पा चाहिए। कई सारे मेरे ऐसे कलीग्स हैं जो कोचिंग क्लासेस रन करते हैं, जो एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोग्राम करते हैं, एंड देन दे शो दैट दे आर फ्रॉम IIMs. सो गाइज, अगर आप उनमें से कोई हैं तो आप ये कर सकते हैं, आपको IIM का टैग लग जाएगा एंड यू कैन से आपने IIM से एग्जीक्यूटिव किया या IIM के आप स्टूडेंट हो, अहमदाबाद, बेंगलोर या जो भी है। खैर, जोक्स अपार्ट, नाउ मूविंग ऑन गाइज, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज। Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program is an opportunity for young, dynamic individuals to contribute to enhancing skill development and promote economic development. ये दुनिया भर का ज्ञान है कि ये समाज की भलाई के लिए है, ये है, वो है। खैर, आई नो कि जो भी लोग अप्लाई कर रहे हैं वो सिर्फ अपना भला देख रहे हैं, समाज का नहीं। So what's in it for you? Yeah, so this is what you want to watch out for. The fellowship is a unique opportunity to promote skill development in district economies. The 2-year blended program combines classroom sessions that host IIMs with mentorship of fellows while in district. It provides an opportunity to engage with schemes and institutions at the district level to strengthen institutions and improve skill development, link markets and create growth. अब लोग बोलेंगे सर अभी मुझे मतलब की चीज़ नहीं मिली, तो ये है आपकी मतलब की चीज़. Now candidates selected from the 2021-23 admission cycle will be fully funded by MSDE. Okay, what is the full form of MSDE guys? ये सब आपको पता होना चाहिए. खैर, बाद में आपको ये बता दूंगा या तो आप खुद चेक कर लेना. Something for you to research. On joining the program, the candidate will receive a stipend of 50,000 rupees per month. Oh great यार, मतलब जैसे ही आप स्टार्ट करोगे आपको 50,000 रुपीज पर मंथ मिलेगा. फर्स्ट ईयर में कहानी वहाँ खत्म नहीं होती, सेकेंड ईयर से ये अमाउंट 60,000 पर मंथ हो जाएगा. बट ऑफ कोर्स कुछ तो काम करना पड़ेगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स काम ये होगा कि आपको क्लासरूम कोचिंग के साथ दिल सेंड यू ऑन फील्ड एंड यू हैव टू डू स्टफ ऑन योर ओन. सो it's like an internship. Not only you learn in the classroom, but you also do things in the field. And what is the eligibility? That you should be an Indian citizen. The age should be in 21 to 30 years of age. At least a graduate in any discipline: engineering, law, medicine, social sciences, etc. From a recognized university or postgraduate from a recognized university. अब कई सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो NGO से बहुत ज़्यादा NGOs में वर्क करते हैं या जिनका इच्छा है सोसाइटी को हेल्प करने का, कुछ करने का. सो दिस इज़ द प्लेस एंड दिस इज समथिंग यू कैन रियली अप्लाई फॉर. Now, 3 years of work experience. If you are a working professional, it's good. It is mentioned 3 years of work experience after secondary schooling in the social non-profit sector with an interest in working in rural area is preferred. However, individuals with no work experience and a strong motivation to work in this area may apply. मतलब अगर आपके पास experience नहीं है तो भी चलेगा, बस कह दो कि yes, जोश है, जज्बा है. Ability to express proficiency in the official language used in the state is must. Now, for example, if you are applying in Maharashtra, you should know Marathi language. If you are in Gujarat, you must know Gujarati language. So stuff is like that. Certificate of completion, क्या क्या मिलेगा? MGNF is a certificate program in public policy and management offered by host IIMs. It has been designed at the initiative of the Ministry of Skill, MSDE, लिखा हुआ Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. How to apply? Of course guys, this is what he needs to check it. Now guys, this is going to be a great opportunity for people who want to work with government, or you can say in a kind of government job maybe. But then of course you can also say that people who want to start working and be into the field and later on they want to use their work and expertise. Guys, ये course मेरे हिसाब से बहुत धांसू है. क्यों? क्योंकि of course not just you'll earn from the very first day, but you will get the opportunity to work in the field from the very first day. And trust me, being in the field, interacting with people will make you 100 times more wise than any other thing. और उसके बाद आगे जाके of course you are young, dynamic, the life is on, and you can do many other things. So I suggest that please check this thing once and take your decision accordingly. And yes, I am also going to release a podcast on Babaji Ka Gyan. That's a funny name of my podcast. I'm going to the podcast channel. I'm going to release it on these topics like CMAT and other stuff is going to be on Spotify. Make sure that you tune it to Spotify. If you do not have, download it, listen to it. That one episode will inform you everything about the happenings, updates in the MBA world, and I will also talk about this thing there too. Thank you guys. I hope this video is going to give you some clarity.